Ready for today's new letter quiz? Let's go! Now it's time for the letter P. P says P. Can you find the 3 differences between these 2 pictures of the cute penguins? Look carefully. The word penguin starts with the letter P. Yes, there they are! You found all 3 differences. Great job! Remember the pictures carefully. They all start with the letter P. Now, where is the other potato? Potato starts with P. Yes, there it is! Good job! Now, can you find the matching pencil? Pencil starts with P. Right here! Correct! Finally, can you find the matching pony? Pony starts with P. Well done! There it is! Can you guess the shadow? Yes! It's a plant! Plant starts with the letter P. Can you find the different P? Where are you, cute little P? Ah, there you are. Time for our memory challenge. Try to remember the order of all these letters. Now, can you find the letter P? Do you remember where it's hiding? Good job! It's hiding behind spot number 1. Can you find a small letter P? Yay! There it is! Choose your pizza. P is for pizza. So yummy, so funny. Which word starts with P? Is it kangaroo, penguin, or rabbit? Yes, it's the word penguin. It starts with the letter P. Great job, little geniuses. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun quizzes. Goodbye.